Hey, and welcome to 3.1.2G, Palletization. Alright, so let's just get started here. What we're going to do first is we're going to put a table. That's 1000 by 1000. And then we're going to put down our robot. With no slide base. We're going to position the robot to 0, 0. Slagging. We're going to position our table to 0, 0. Alright, in this lesson, we're going to be using something new, and that's called the feeder. It's located in storage devices. Feeder. So this feeder is going to have... Alright, so this feeder is going to have 8 parts. I'm going to go ahead and place it down. Alright. Alright, and now you're going to click on controller setup. And we're going to left click and hold and slide feeder to line 1 in our outputs. Just like that. And then we're going to place the feeder onto the table, which we already did. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees. And we're going to put it at the position negative, or 255, negative 200. Now we're going to place a cylinder onto the feeder. So that's in materials, cylinder, 40 by 40. We're going to place it on the feeder. And then we're going to double click on it and position it to 255, negative 200. So now that the cylinder is on the feeder will recognize that there is a cylinder on it and keep on releasing more cylinders into this gray box. So that's pretty much it for cell setup. You're going to go ahead and save this, and I'll meet you guys on Robocell. Alright, so now that we're in Robocell, the first thing we're going to do is view our digital outputs and inputs. So we're going to go to View, Dialog Bars, Digital Outputs, and then View, Dialog Bars, Digital Inputs. And as you can see on the bottom, it'll show your outputs and inputs. So if you turn on your input, or if you turn on your output, a cylinder is supposed to pop up. And then when you turn it off, the cylinder should disappear. But for some reason, mine is not popping up with the cylinder. Sometimes the system bugs, so you're going to have to reset it. I had this issue a couple of times, but for some reason on my computer, it wouldn't show up. So, anyways. So besides the fact that sometimes it won't show up, you're going to have to verify if it's working or not using this. For me, it's just bugged. But the next step is to follow the chart that they give you. So they give you a chart that you need to fill out yourself, and they give you your commands, and they also show you what to do so that you can get the robot into the different positions to collect all the different cylinders, because it takes a while, because this code is supposed to take a while. This isn't supposed to be a fast code. This code takes about 2 minutes to run, 3 minutes to run. So basically what you're doing is you're collecting cylinders off of the feeder and just placing them into a square shaped triple stacked cylinder. But yeah, you're supposed to find out how to put the positions using our previous tutorials. You should probably know how to send the robot to a certain part, just like that, or like a point or whatever. You also know how you can open your claw, you can close the claw. So use the things that you probably learned from all the different tutorials to implement into this lesson. This is like the big test basically. But yeah, I'll meet up with you guys after I finish. Alright, so I'm fully completed with mine, and let's see how it looks. Right, and as you can see, that is the whole entire process. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, that's 3.1.2.G. See you guys in 3.1.2H.